Hi guys, and welcome to my tutorial. Today we're gonna draw our own sprite and our own backdrop. Woohoo! Okay, so now let's start creating. So let's just click start creating, and now we will wait. We will wait now. Now we're on sketch. I love this. So first, let's say what motion. In motion, you just should it's just what makes you move to the left or move to the right. You can make your character jump. It can jump. The character can jump up or down. And you can make it glide to a random position. That was super random. I wasn't expecting that at all. And you can make it just go to a random position super duper fast. As soon as you click the block, it goes to a random position. And you can make it point in a direction and point towards your mouse. And in looks, you can make him say hello. You can make him say hello forever. And of course, you can click the stop sign to make him stop. You can make him think. You can make him think. Forever. You can make him switch costume to a specific costume. You can make it just go to the next costume. Oh my gosh, it's flexing his muscle. I want to see him flexing. I want to see him show off his muscle. Yeah. And now, you switch the backdrop. You can switch backdrop to a specific backdrop, or just go to the next backdrop. You can make it change the size until it's ginormous. It's devouring the whole screen. And now let's just make it shrink back to its normal size. Let's make it change size by -10 now. Ooh, it's shrinking. He's shrinking. No way. No. I'm shrinking. And now he's back. Let me just check. Yep, he's back. We can make him change color. You can make him change color. Change fisheye. Ew, that looks disgusting. It really does look like a fisheye. Change world effect. Nothing happened. Change pixelatic effect. Change mosaic effect. Now it looks like a computer glitch. Change brightness until it disappears. Change good. And now we can just set all of these effects to 0. Okay, it's better. Or you could just click clear graphic effects. If that way is cooler. Clear graphic effects. And you can make it hide. It disappeared. Make it show. It reappeared. You can make it go to the front. Or go to the back. You can make it go forward a layer. And you can make it go backward a layer. Now you can make it play a sound. You can stop sound. You can change the pitch. You can set pitch back to 100. Now we can clear the sound effect. But that just makes it sound normal. We can change the volume. You can set the volume. And events just tell you when your code will start. It could start when you click the green flag, when the space key is pressed, when the sprite is clicked, when the backdrop switches to a backdrop, when the loudness is greater than 10 or a different number, or even the timer, when you receive a message or just broadcasting a message. And control just has a ton of things. Wait blocks, repeat loops, forever loops, if then blocks, if then else blocks. The if then and if then else are just conditions to tell you that something has to happen only if something is true, or something has to happen only if something is true, or else something else has to happen. You can have a wait until block, wait until something is true, or repeat until something is true. You can make stop everything stop. You can start a clone. You can create clone yourself and then delete this clone. And you can make it delete the clone. And sensing just shows just checks if something is true. If the cat is touching the mouse pointer, and if touching color white, and that's true because that is white. If color white is touching color orange, and that in this case is false. And what the distance to the mouse pointer is, and that big complicated number right there. And it can ask what your name is. My name is Jasmine. And now I can look at my name, Jasmine, and I click my name there. Yay! Both of my names are everywhere. They're here. They're there. They're everywhere. Is the mouse down? False. What the mouse X is, what the mouse Y is, and you can set the drag mode to draggable. Let's test it. You check, is the key space being pressed? You can hold down on the key space. You can just keep pressing key space if you want it to say true. And you can hold down on key space and then it will say true. Is the mouse down? No. Is the mouse what the mouse X is and what the mouse Y is. And you can set the drag mode to draggable. Whoa! It's dragging around everywhere. And you can see how loud you are, and also how much time you're spending. And there's other stuff that you won't need to know. What the backdrop, number of stages, what the current year is, the day since 2000, your username. And my username is JVL, but my username is Learn with JVL, but it's not on Scratch. 1 plus 1 equals, let's see what 1 plus 1 equals. It equals 2. Congrats, computer! You are correct! Let's see what 2 minus 1. 1 is 1. Congrats, computer! You are correct! Let's see what 1 times 2 is. Congrats, computer! You are correct! Let's see what, wait, what? Nan? Nan? What does that mean? I don't know what this means, guys. It says Nan on there. What does Nan mean? And if that is greater, if blank is greater than 50, false, because it's less. Is blank less than 50? True. Is blank equal to 50? No. But what does Nan mean? I wonder what Nan means, guys. I'll try to figure it out in a future video. Maybe it means none or 0. Okay, so I definitely do not know what Nan means. Maybe it means none, but we'll definitely find out in a future video. No, it's just 0. What? 0 minus 0? 0? What's 0 plus 0? 0. So maybe it doesn't mean none, but we will find out in a future video. So next we have pick random blocks. Right here. And let's see who the winner of the lottery is. It is, drum roll please. Number 4 is the winner of the lottery. Woohoo! And now let's see what these are. These are what group they're sensing. For example, if touching mouse pointer and touching color white, or if touching mouse pointer or coloring, or touching color white, or not touching mouse pointer. You can have join apple banana blocks. It says apple banana. Length, letter 1 of apple, A. Length of apple, A, 5. If apple contains A, true. And now, variables. They're just these numbers. They're just blocks that keep track of a certain sort. That keep track of a certain number in your project, and you can change them. You can on Slider, you can change it by sliding your mouse around. Yay! Ding 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 ding. Now I get 100 points. And you can click on it. Now it's a scoreboard, like in football. And now, look at the scoreboard. Look, and that's just the normal readout. And that's normal readout. Like that. And don't forget to like and subscribe and scratch on.